How are you, my friends? Elias here with EG Construction, your best option. We are at the kitchen remodel right here in Rancho Rancho Bernardo. Super hot. I'm not thinking straight. Today, we already have all our floorings set up. We are installing baseboards, a square, clean, modern look baseboard that is very popular right now. We frame the fireplace so my drywallers can install the drywall and tape and texture tomorrow. And right here in the kitchen, they already hang all the drywall. You'll see a difference on drywalls, two different colors. The white one is the regular we use everywhere, and the purple one, that's the one that we use every time that we have any kind of water supply near the drywall. It is a little bit more water resistant. Same thing right here on the sink and on the dishwasher. We're gonna use the same kind. In this case, it's purple, but you can find different colors: green, yellow. Most likely, anything that is not white is gonna be for another kind of use, either waterproof or soundproof. Tomorrow we're gonna texture. Tomorrow we have the delivery for the cabinets as well. We're gonna prime first and then the installation. So almost ready for the client to see her dream kitchen come through. So we are doing the first coat of tape right now, and after it dries for a little bit, we're going to do the texture. Today we are finishing the installation of the baseboards. We still have to do a couple more of them. And right here on this side, we are super excited that today is the cabinet installation. This is a process, and the installer is starting from the right corner right here with the pantry. He already have everything on place. He's starting to level everything and make sure that everything fits. Why is he starting like that? Because he's gonna need to adjust this cabinet. He has this filler on the far left that he can always cut to fit whatever he needs to do. On this other side, we have cabinet, then a lazy Susan on the corner, another cabinet for the trash and the sink, then it's gonna be the dishwasher and another drawer cabinet. Right here on the center, we have the island right there where you see the yellow wires right there. This is gonna be 2-3 days of installation, and after that we're gonna be ready for templates and quartzite in this case.
Cut a block so that it stays, this way, and then see how much I'm gonna cut that and
Sure.
go from there. Right there. I put the laser there, so when I'm working inside the cabinet, I can see. And then I'm gonna put that one in the same spot.
We are anchoring the legs right now.
Yes, we're anchoring the legs.
So first of all, they drill through the tile and then anchor those little bases right there. So the legs don't really have anywhere to go. You see, they do it at the same size of the leg and they're not moving anywhere.
You see that I've pencil lined where the inside edge goes over the top of the wood plug. Boom. There we go.
What do we do after that? Like liquid nails or
It's not really necessary because, like I said, once it's screwed to the top, his leg's not going anywhere. I made the block the size of the hole.
Okay.
So it locks it in. So I just can mount it to the top. That way, if there's ever any issues, there's no you got to replace the leg for some reason.
Sure.
It's easy to get out.
All right.
And it should look. It's on the laser line. We're right at it. Look at that. All right, we're still on our bubble. Still on our bubble. One set post. wondering how this post get installed, there you go. Instead of like this. See, the lines are right on the holes. I think you can probably hardly see it in the video. There you go, see? Drill 4 or 5 handles with it and then double check, make sure everything's tight, you know, make sure everything's not moving around on you. The screw's gonna be on the face of the uppers.
Okay.
So we countersink it so it doesn't leave a mark. Just on the bottom, that's all you need. Put one on, make sure it works, and then if it works, we'll go over and do all the rest. There it is.